Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Today I can proudly show you my new acquisition. It's a Suzuki GT125A from 1976. It's a very rare bike now. There's quite a few 185s but not the 125s, which I think is probably the best because it's such a sweet little twin cylinder two-stroke which sounds lovely. I'll just run around the bike and show you. It's been restored at some stage and it's done very nice. All the chrome work's been done. It's even got the original number plate with raised letters. Don't know if you can see that. It's all, which are all clamped on the back. Very effective, very nice. One key fits all, which is nice. It's even got a steering lock which works. Lovely chromed exhaust. Like I say, everything's been done on this bike. Even the wheels, stainless spokes. It's got the original wheels, chrome plated stainless spokes in this lovely, I think it's Macau blue metallic. Just a lovely piece of kit. I've had quite a few of these. You can see on my YouTube channel. There's a really nice gold one which I had. Shouldn't have sold it, but hey ho, things happen in your life. I regret selling a lot of the bikes that I had. It's even got the original stamped exhaust pipes, which is lovely to have. I haven't fired it up today, it's very cold. Just got it out the garage. As you can see, stone cold. I have not fired it up, so I'll show you in a minute. I'll just show you under the seat. The headstock's nice on these bikes. They're all nice and chromed. Very smart. Like I say, one key fits all. Well, sorry, two keys. I need my knee on this one. There we go. There, all nice and clean under there. Absolutely lovely. I do have a toolkit. It's fitted with a battery charger optimizer, so you can leave that in the winter overnight. There we go. Right, moment of truth. So it's the Suzuki key. There we go. Right, choke. Fuel. That should be fine there. It's been fitted with a filter. Now this bike always starts first or second kick. Usually first. So there we go. I'll let you hear it. It's cold, so it will rev quite high at the beginning. How lovely is that? I'll turn the choke off in a minute. Brake light sticking a little bit. There we go. Still cold. Yeah, still cold, but there we go. It shows you the bike. It's absolutely beautiful. 1976 GT125. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe as we have many more to follow. Cheers.